So in this edition of Kurukshetra, we have mainly covered the developments under 5 different pillars, which range from food safety to smart panchayats to agri-tech. And some of the important developments include Sabhasar, which is speech to voice technology, Namo Drone Didi, which is the drone being provided to women self-help groups, Agri-Stack, which becomes the major backbone of the agricultural societies. There are primary agricultural societies under Ministry of Cooperatives, which focus on the development, and the move which has been to make more predictive developments with the food regulations. But there have been constant challenges, which includes the problem with the digital literacy in the rural areas. The language is one of the major barriers, bringing in identifying the gaps in the connectivity, checking the affordability and at least the internet connectivity in the rural area to bring in the digital transformation. Also, women have been underrepresented and there has been a huge divide. Data privacy is another important aspect which has been a challenging aspect, but there have been numerous developments that have been done so far, which includes better connectivity, better interportable analysis, data protection, cyber security, better PPP models that have been brought in the rural as well as the urban areas, and numerous state-led innovations which have been brought. So digital empowerment is the basis for the Viksit Bharat 2047. We will be focusing more on the analysis of Kurukshetra and Yojana in the coming months. So stay tuned for more information. Thanks for joining. Have a great day.